Shenzhen Magnet, founded in 2003, is a comprehensive solution provider in the field of electrical automation, integrating software and hardware R&D, production, sales, and services. Magmet has 30 subsidiaries, 11 R&D centers, 6 domestic and 2 overseas manufacturing centers. Magmet has obtained the United States UL Laboratory Accreditation, Germany TÜV Rhineland Laboratory Accreditation, CNAS Laboratory Accreditation, as well as certifications for functional safety processes and factory management systems. Magmet has over 5,700 employees, including more than 1,900 R&D staff, relying on our core technologies of power conversion, digital power control, system control, and communication software. Magmet has obtained more than 1,000 patents. Magmet treats product quality as its lifeline and requires the highest standards for product development, testing, and manufacturing. Magmet strives for zero defects and rigorously follows the lean management principles. Magmet has fully transformed into a digitized smart factory with more than 70 automated production lines, achieving automatic data collection and process control, maximized production efficiency, and optimized production planning. Every production process is monitored live to ensure the highest level of product quality. Magmet sets foot in 6 core business areas: industrial automation, electric vehicle solutions, intelligent equipment, power solutions, home appliance control solutions, and precision connection. By providing efficient and stable services for various industries, Magmet supports industry-wide cost reduction, efficiency maximization, and digitized integration. From raw materials to assembled parts, Magmet has constructed a robust supply chain ecosystem. And from standalone products to industry-wide solutions, Magmet has extended its service into national infrastructure, industrial and commercial applications, as well as everyday residential use. Magmet has accelerated the industry development for LED display, medical equipment, telecommunication, aviation, 3C electronics, OA terminals, smart home appliances, robotics, railway transportation, vessel construction, new materials, medicine and food processing, petrochemical, construction machinery, and electric vehicle solutions. With years of dedication and hard work, Magmet has won the trust of thousands of customers worldwide and achieved the ultimate goal of Magmet everywhere. To ensure a better living environment for all human beings, Magmet will continue to improve the efficient use of electricity, promote clean energy, and maximize production efficiency. Magmet will also keep on researching advanced technologies and providing innovative, high-quality products so that smart control and energy-saving solutions and products can be supplied back to society. Magmet everywhere.